draw this again. So on the chart, this would be the short. This would be long. So the short will move with price, starts to move up, peaks and moves down. The longer term's moving like this, starts to move up, it peaks and moves down. So what is this showing you? Well, what it's showing you is that the price in the short term is moving down a little bit before the price in the long term moves down, doesn't it? I mean, you've got a bit of a lag time here. Well, it's a similar situation to what's going on with the supplier and the manufacturer. You have individuals with short-term time horizons, individuals with long-term time horizons. So let's take this into what's happening currently. I'm reading from it's called prinside.com, and this was on December 18th. Stocks rose in Europe and the United States as the European Central Bank and the Bank of England opened their credit taps wide, pumping more than US $500 billion into money markets to keep banks from Finland to Britain flush with the cash they need to operate. The moves were aimed at keeping jittery markets calm amid a credit squeeze caused by the US subprime crisis. So far, it seems to be working with most stock markets in Europe and the US higher, including Germany's DAX, which was up 1%, and Wall Street up more than 0.5% to 13,245.07. The ECB, European Central Bank, which oversees monetary policy among the 13 nations that use the euro, on Tuesday said it allocated an exceptionally large amount, $348.6 billion, in its main refinancing option, a process that also boasts a duration of 16 days, meaning it will not mature until January 4th, so after the new year. What does all of that mean? As of December 18th, what happened in the marketplace? Increased supply. Increased supply. Now, let's think about it this way, okay? If you have orders for 1,000 Mac X Beanie Babies, and those orders are on your books, they're ready to be filled. If you don't have any more orders coming in, then demand isn't going up. Now, what happens if you have new orders for 1,000 Mac X Beanie Babies? Well, demand is starting to increase, is it not? Well, what happens when 348.6 billion euros hits the market? Well, let's say you've got banks that have orders for 350 billion euros. So this is the supply. This is the demand. Supply of 348.6, orders for